friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making a carrot souffle. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For the ingredients, we need 1 pound of carrots, either baby carrots or peeled regular carrots. We need 1 stick of butter, 3 eggs, vanilla, flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. So I will be baking the carrot souffle in a 8x8 square baking dish. This is 2 quarts, so any shape of 2-quart baking dish will do. So first, let's spray it with a non-stick cooking spray, or you can also use butter, so just the carrot souffle doesn't stick. So now I've prepared the baking dish, and I'm going to set it aside. And I'm going to use a food processor to puree everything. If you don't have a food processor, you can just use a potato masher as well. Now first I'm going to cook carrots in a microwave to make them soft. And instead of microwave, you can also boil them in water. Totally up to you. Just basically we need to cook the carrots. So to cook them in a microwave, I'll put them in a microwave safe dish. And I'm going to add a little bit of water, about a 1/4 cup. And I will cover it with a microwave safe plate. And now I'm going to microwave it until soft. So I will put it on for 6 minutes on high. So now the microwave is done cooking, so I'm going to see if carrots are soft. So just make sure you use a towel because everything is very hot. I'm going to take off the plate on top and pierce carrot with a fork. So it should be super tender, like mushy. So if it's not tender enough, just put it for several more minutes. All the microwaves cook differently, so I'm going to add 2 more minutes to my cooking time because it wasn't tender enough. So let's put it for 2 more minutes, and I'm going to check when it's done. Now it's done cooking, so let's check the carrots again. So now they're super tender and pierced easily with a fork, so they're done. And if yours are not done, just continue cooking until they're very tender. So I'm going to take it out. And now I will put the carrots in a food processor. I used some water to cook the carrots. I don't need this water, so make sure just only put the carrots and we'll discard the water. So I'm just going to add carrots with other ingredients. So I'm going to add butter. So I'm going to cut butter into pieces. This is 1 stick, which is 1/2 cup of butter. And if you want to reduce fat, you can substitute butter with applesauce if you'd like. So I add that. And I'm also going to add 3 eggs. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So now I'm going to process this and then add the rest of the ingredients and process it some more. now it's pureed. And you know, if you have some pieces, it's okay because we're gonna still process it with the rest of the ingredients. So we just want to get this mixture to be smooth. And now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of flour. One-third cup of sugar. Half a teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And again, let's process until it's smooth. So now the mixture is totally smooth and it's ready to bake. So look, it's perfectly pureed. And now let's transfer it to our baking dish. So remember, I used the cooking spray to spray just so it doesn't stick. So now it's ready to be baked. So let's put it in the oven. And I'm going to set the timer to 45 minutes. Now it's done baking, so let's take a look. Look at this carrot souffle. It looks amazing. Let me take it out of the oven. Look how good it looks. Perfect. And it was so easy to make. Now to check to make sure it's fully cooked, just insert a toothpick in center and make sure it comes out clean. Yep, so mine is ready. Like in case if yours isn't ready, you can always put it back in the oven and bake for another 5 to 10 minutes until the toothpick inserted in center comes out clean. So now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying this carrot souffle. So let's just cut a piece. Perfect. Look at that. Amazing. That nice souffle texture. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. It's so tender, smooth, sweet. Perfect carrot souffle. You're going to love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!